Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. So we are looking at a really nice forecast this afternoon because temperatures are actually a little bit cooler, but we're going to start to feel a little bit more of that humidity, and I'll get to that in just a moment. But take a look. Temperatures right now, 64 degrees for Burbank, 67 for Fullerton, 63 for Malibu. And then we're also looking at the cool down that will continue for the rest of the week. The only difference that you'll notice this morning is that we do have a coastal eddy off the coast, so our beaches are looking at some low clouds and fog, and some of the low clouds and fog have also moved inland to some of our inland communities, and actually we're going to start to see a little bit more of the cloud cover move inland each morning, especially because of this cooling trend that's taking place as high pressure begins to weaken. We're also looking at a chance of showers and isolated thunderstorms by the middle of the week because, as I mentioned, humidity is returning, but in the form of some tropical air, and it's from a system, the tropical storm system that we're watching right now. So once that system passes, our temperatures will continue to cool, and we could see those temperatures drop to below average by the end of the week. All right, so here's a look at what's happening. It is the last day of this excessive heat warning, especially for the low deserts. So this is where we're going to see some of the dangerously hot conditions, everything that you see here from the Coachella Valley and on. Temperatures about 107 to about 113. And then we're looking at this high pressure system that is off to the east of us right now. So this high pressure system is going to slowly leave the area, and that's going to allow the cooling trend to take place. But we're also going to throw in some of this tropical air. So this is what we're watching right now. Tropical storm Eugene that's spitting out into the Pacific. It's still away from us. It's not really going to affect us, but the tropical air is going to start to migrate up toward us here in the Southland, and that's when we start to feel it. Take a look at that future cast. So by the time we head into Tuesday night, there is a chance for these showers widespread across the Southland, and we could see some isolated thunderstorms from Tuesday night into Wednesday. So this is something that we're going to watch really closely. The only difference with the storm system, because it is coming in from the south, it is tricky to forecast. Either it could bring us some storms and some humidity, or it could just keep things really cool and cloudy. So as we get closer to the middle of the week, we'll know a little bit more. But for now, just know that we're actually going to see more clouds and maybe more of that humidity, and there is a chance of those showers too by Tuesday night into Wednesday, maybe even lingering into Thursday. 85 for LA and Orange County today, dropping to the low 80s tomorrow. Valleys upper 90s with temperatures cooling even more for the second half of the week. And then for Wednesday, for the Inland Empire, we're looking at 80s returning. I'm just going to leave you with the beaches because the beaches are actually going to feel a little bit nicer as we head toward Wednesday, dropping into the mid 70s.